Hi, my name is Drew Colthorpe. I am a software consultant and developer for Atomic Object. We make apps and websites for other people. So a lot of companies need an app or a website to do what they do for a living, and they don't necessarily know how to build it, so they hire us to do it. My background is in computer science and math. So in college, I specialized in writing computer code, and I also learned a lot about algebra and other math topics. At Atomic Object, we build apps and websites, which means a few different things. We need to, one, figure out what those apps and websites do and what problems they're meant to solve. Two, we write the code to make the apps do what they need to do in order to solve that problem. And three, we need to constantly be working with our customer to make sure that we're building the right thing for them and that we're not spending too much time on things that aren't important. In order to build software that's really going to be helpful to use, we need to be thinking about how is somebody going to be using that software, what problem they're going to be solving, and then we also need to think about the colors and the layout and the photography in such a way that it makes people feel a certain way when they're using it. We want to make software that makes people happy or that gives people confidence that they're going to get the right answer. And in order to do that, we really need to think a lot about how the software looks and how it feels to use, because we need to think about what is it that's going to instill the right confidence in our users and make them feel the right way. So in building software, a lot of what I do on a regular basis is writing code, and it involves math, and it's very precise, but it also involves art as well, and thinking about how I can use these technical skills that I have to make something that makes people really happy, that makes them help them get their job done, that makes them want to use it. And so in going into software, it is important that if you're a developer like me, good in some of these technical aspects, but it's also important that you think about what's going to make people happy and kind of get the artistic side of it as well.